Hello everyone, this is Raja from CSCP section first year in second semester. Today my topic is about sinusoidal vector. Let us go to our topic. Sinusoidal vector. A vector panic is said to be a sinusoidal is a divergence of f bar is equal to 0, that is delta into f bar is equal to 0 now, 0 bar. This equation is also as convergence of mass. Sinusoidal vector. A sinusoidal vector field is a vector field in which its divergence is 0. Therefore, delta dot v is equals to 0. V is the sinusoidal vector field and delta represents the divergence operator. These mathematical conditions indicate the net amount of field following into a given space is equals to amount of the field following out of it. Another slide. Now we solve the given problem. The problem is prove that divergence of r power n is greater than r power r bar is equals to n plus 3 r power n. Given equation f bar is equals to r power n into r bar. The first one man the equation anukuntam where r bar is equals to position vector, r bar is equals to position r bar means xi bar plus ij bar plus zk bar, and r is equals to modulus of r bar. We know that modulus of r is equals to square root of x square plus y square plus z square. R square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square. Then equation 2 అనుకుంటాం. F bar is equals to r power n into r bar. R power n into r bar means xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. In previous we can write that r bar is equals to that equation. Now multiply the x power I. R power n into xi bar plus r power n into yj bar plus r power n into k bar. Now del f bar is equals to dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. Now we can multiply the f1 dou by dou x into r power n into x plus dou by dou y into r power n into y plus dou by dou z into r power n into z. Now we can differentiation the given equation. We know the it is in the form of d by dx of uv form, uv dash plus vu dash. This is the formula of this equation. Now apply the formula, give our problem. x into yeah, xn r power n minus 1 dou r by dou x plus r power n plus y n into r power n minus 1 into dou r by dou y plus r power n plus z n into r power n minus 1 dou r by dou z plus r power n. Now it is in the form of equation 2. R square is equals to r square x square plus y square plus z square, and partially differentiation with respect to x of equation 2. 2r r dou r by dou x is equals to 2x. Dou r by dou x is equal to x by r. Now another one, 2r by dou r by dou y is equals to 2y. Dou r by dou y is equals to y by r. Partial differentiation with respect z of 2. z r by dou r by dou x is equals to 2z. Dou r by dou z is equals to zy, and x into n into r power n minus 1 into x by r plus r power n plus yn r power n minus 1 y by r plus r power n plus zn r power n minus 1 into z by r plus r power n. Now we can calculate the r power n's. R power n means 3r power n is equals to 3r power n plus n into r power n minus 1 into x square plus y square plus z square by r. Now x square plus y square plus z square means r. R means total square కాబట్టి total r square వేసుకుంటాం. Now 3 into r power n plus n into r power n minus 1 into r square by r. Now 3r power n plus n into r power n minus 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Now 3r power n plus n r power n. ఇక్కడ this is a power m into a power n, a power m plus a power n. That formula. Next, r power n into 3 plus n, where f is a sinusoidal, del f bar is equals to r. 3 plus n is equals to 0. N is equals to minus 3. Our problem is solved, and thank you.